Welcome back to the channel, guys. Alright, so today, as you can read by the title, we're gonna be talking about Ikea. So I did a little shopping in Ikea because my last video was a Fashion Nova haul. I just feel like this wall is so bare, so I need to do something about that. Have a little background, you know, make the videos a little bit more spicy. So basically I envisioned this whole thing of boxes on the wall to display some of my shoes. These little things, I just thought they were cute. Let's just get straight into the video, y'all. So listen, I love this saying. Yeah, a moment to read it. Champagne lifestyle, limited income. That's me all the way. Now, honestly, funny part about y'all, okay, this is the only thing in the haul that did not come from Ikea. This actually came from Big Lots, if y'all shop Big Lots. But anyway, this right here came from there. But everything else is Ikea, promise. So let's see. This little, I don't know what you would call it, I guess like a bird cage accessory. I'm expecting it to, okay, let's see how that looks. To come out real pretty on the wall. These things gonna be kind of big. I'm gonna have to take up the whole space. I hope I can cover like all of it. Yeah, because it's gonna be pretty. I want to display some of my shades on the wall for y'all. And maybe like little perfumes and stuff. We're gonna see at the end of the video how it actually all came together. Now, remember last video I said I'm no fashionista. Now this video I'm gonna say I'm no decorator. I don't know. I'm trying something new, y'all. I want to be more creative. I don't know. I want to be cute and creative. CC, let's do that. Okay. But anyway, so I got two of those. Alrighty. This here was, I actually looked online for all this stuff because I already had an idea of kind of what I was going for. But this is like a display, a glass circle, and it'll come out from the wall like so, like this. And then like, you know, like I said, put little perfumes. I don't know, maybe a candle or something. We'll see. I don't know. I just want to see what it's gonna. I'm looking forward to seeing what's gonna come out to, just like y'all, because I really don't know, y'all. I'm just going on a whim. Then Ikea, they got those little nice booklets, y'all. This stuff made me want to just buy everything. So whatever you do, beware of the booklet, because you might go down. You be trying to buy the whole store up. Now this right here, I'm hoping this definitely comes out the way that I want it to. This is the, oh, okay, I will flip this box 10 times, y'all. I don't know, Ikea is the name of the brand, and they're basically like, they're not the display boxes. The display boxes were extremely heavy, and I just felt like they weren't gonna act right on the wall. So these are actually boxes, like, oh, excuse me, I don't know if I want to say cardboard. I really don't know what the material is. I don't know. I just know that it make boxes for up on the wall. Now, seeing that the little lounge chair here is red, I thought I would do like a contrast color, which is the blue. So we'll see how the blue turn out. With my little vision, I'm thinking it's gonna be nice. So red, blue, gold, all in one little display. So these I want to use to display some shoes. So let's open these just to see what this looks like. And I'm hoping this stuff not, oh, okay. This is like super light. Okay, yeah, because them display boxes, y'all. Yeah. Something. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to go buy stuff, y'all. It came with like screws and stuff. Okay, I'm even more excited now. I was excited at first just to put a little vision together. There go I go with trash again, y'all. Okay. Okay. Yes, this is just trash. Okay. Trash with the trash, y'all. Trash with the trash. Okay. So, I really don't plan on doing this on camera. I mean, I could see if I knew what I was doing. Who read the instructions, y'all? Who read them? Because I don't. Let me see. This would have to be like the bottom. What is this? Who's stepping on this? They got a picture of basically like don't step on it. Oh, who's stepping on this? This ain't even a bookshelf like that. Okay. I'm actually gonna just try it on camera just cause y'all here. I'm lying, y'all. I gotta do stuff. I want to give like a little vision. Okay, no, I'm definitely not doing this. My cousin, her husband is actually coming over here to help me, guys, okay? Now, just like I said last video, don't worry about my hair because I was fresh at the shower. This hair is straight out the bed. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. No comber. Not even comber. Okay. Call Ikea. These diagrams, y'all. They a real trip. And how they saying to put this stuff together. Oh, but I can show y'all this at least. So that's what the box look like. So just imagine that in this color. Oh, that's another thing. Let me see how they look on camera. This color with, oh, you can't, well, basically. Because I will see some of the color, I think. They kind of nice contrast. Cricket. Okay. Okay, cool. So that's it. Alright, y'all. So next clip should be like this all put together. And actually, most likely I already put together on the wall and all that good stuff. Once again, got to give y'all prices. Let's see if I can get the prices, y'all. So I'm back with those prices, my good old receipt. So I got 3 of the display cabinet boxes. That's what they call them, cabinet boxes. 3 display cabinet boxes. 2 of these bird cage display boxes situation. This little glass display flat circular situation. And what else? Oh, I forgot the biggest thing, y'all. My mirror. So let me go get that for y'all. Okay, so it came out to be more feasible to just show y'all, get up and show y'all, because this is where it's gonna be at. Because I went to go get it, but this is where it's gonna be at. Okay, so that's the mirror, y'all. But hitting stuff on the table. Just a nice mirror that's I'm gonna hang it. I'm not gonna do it, but it's gonna be hanging right up here, centerpiece. So that's gonna be for, of course, the fashion hauls and all that good stuff. Also got these curtains. They're like a pink, I don't know, pink pastel, soft pink. I don't know what you would call it. That's what I'm going with, like a soft pink. Did I keep the packaging? If I kept the packaging, I'll show y'all up close and personal what color it was. Alright guys, so this is the conclusion of my project, and it came out oh so good. You get to see my shoes, my shades, my perfumes, my calendar, my clock, LB squared. We in there. And remember, boss ladies and boss gents, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you made it to the cutscenes, you a real OG.